Want to know how to make Cursor AI ask the user's name? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to give you a simple prompt and a simple exercise on how you can easily make the program ask Cursor to ask the username. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Cursor AI application. So once you've opened it up, you should be with this program right here. So I have this C# line, and you can just simply select Ctrl+A in order to select the entire code. Now right here you should be seeing two options. Just simply select add to chat and quick edit. Just simply select quick edit right here. And now once I've selected quick edit, here you can see I have this prompt coming up, so you can just simply type in this. And now once I've selected enter, as you can see right here, it should modify the program in order to ask the user's name, as you can see the green line. So you can just simply keep and you should be good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.